Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. I apologize if this is not as good a quality of video as normal. I am actually on vacation, well, kind of vacation. I am visiting my relatives for Thanksgiving, and I am in the motorhome because I have a terrible allergy to dogs, and so my aunt is really nice, and she makes sure that this is kind of like a sanctuary where I can go and get away and recover from the sniffling and sneezing and itchiness and swollen eyes. Even though I do take allergy medication, it's not always enough when you're around a dog all the time, especially the dog's under a year. So it's a big dog, but it's still a puppy, so it's everywhere. Anyway, I wanted to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. I hope you are all having some time with your family or away from your family, if that is the case that you need to have. Whatever needs to happen. I also wanted to film a couple unboxings. I did not get a chance to film them before I left because they came just as I was like leaving. And then I still have not gotten 3 of my boxes. I'm waiting on both of my Ipsies as well as my Allure, which is not surprising because Allure is always the last one. Anyway, I thought I would do Macy's today. So the Macy's box, you always get this nice little thing that tells you what's in it and also what everything is worth. I did look at this because I got this card that said that they substituted one of my items. Here it is. Oops, we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that, but don't worry, we're pretty sure you'll love what we sent instead. So that's what it says. If it will, why does it not want to focus? There we go. So anyway, yeah, I went and looked through to see what they substituted, which was kind of weird. I don't know why. Anyway, this is an interesting box. The thing they substituted was, instead of the It Superhero Mascara, they sent the eyeliner. I have so many eyeliners that I'm automatically just going to put this in a giveaway because I don't need any more eyeliners. I don't wear them. Yeah. Oh, also speaking of giveaways, I had a hidden giveaway in my September haul, but nobody, when I last looked, has entered it. So make sure you go, if you're watching this, go watch that and enter the contest. See what the goodies are for that. It's another little hidden one. I'm starting to do that to thank you guys who actually watch my videos. So thank you and happy Thanksgiving. The next thing is from Shiseido. This is a modern matte powder lipstick, and this retails for $26. The mascara retails for $24, but I'm not sure what the eyeliner does. Oh, that's like, it looks much more red on camera. It is like a kind of, oh, I thought it was going to be more brick red, but it's not. That's a pretty color. I actually like that. So, and the packaging is different. It's very square. Like, I've never had a lipstick that's quite so square. Anyway, so that's the first thing. The next thing in here are perfumes, because they always include perfumes. It's Miss Dior and Sauvage, both by Dior. I'm not a fan of Miss Dior. I like the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet better. So I'm going to pass both of these along. The perfume retails for $130 and the cologne retails for $115. That sounds like a pink tax to me. Like, it's a pretty big difference. Next is from Clinique. This is the Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly, which I have never tried. I love the Moisture Surge. That is my favorite moisturizer of life. So this retails for $28. That will be nice to try. I always like trying those. And then this one is next. This is from Rituals. The Ritual of Ayurveda Balancing Body Cream. So this is a body cream. It's supposed to have Indian Rose and Himalayan Honey. Oh, I like the scent. That smells really good. So, a nice moisturizing body cream. This retails for $33, which is crazy. That's a lot of money. Next is a Photo Finish Iconic Primer Stick from Smashbox, which I'm pretty sure I have not tried. So that's what it looks like. It's just a little primer stick. I don't think there can be very much product in here. Oh, it turns at the very, very bottom. That will be interesting to try. I am trying to get through all of my primers and foundations and try them out, because I know I am pretty far behind on, I have a lot of them backed up. And then the last thing in here, yeah, this is the last thing. These are underwear. This is a Wacol Befitted Lightweight Bikini in nude, which obviously it's a nude color, and it seems to be glued. There we go. And according to this, one size fits most. So yeah, that's an interesting thing. Let me know what your thoughts are on getting underwear and a beauty box. I mean, those retail for $15, which is a lot for underwear. I don't pay $15, but I tend to buy mine at Costco, so anyway, let me know what your thoughts were on this box. Let me know what your Thanksgiving plans are. I hope you are all having a fantastic, relaxing day, whether you are in the US or not. And I can't wait to talk to you guys next time. Bye.